Hi guys, why is there a flash? Okay, we are now also gonna get some fizzy drinks for I'm gonna get some fizzy drinks. So let's go and let's delve into the light. Here's the light here, but let's see what's in here. For some reason, this car goes blurry every single time. Something bad's gonna happen soon. Abandoned fizzy drinks. Powerade. Yeah, Powerade. Powerade. I don't know why I'm singing this word. Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure my nan made this drink. Okay. First, we're gonna check which one's better. So, Sprite. It has in sugars 32 G's. Sorry, Fanta, you're going back. You got less sugar. More sugar. Oh, and I don't want sugar in my blood. Yeah, in my blood. Yeah, Fanta, in my blood. I'm a man. Well, bye, Ariel, and say hello to closing door. Then, this one had less sugar.
Yeah.
Hi kids.
Had less sugar?
Yeah, I had 32, and not 41. Also, kids, just quick tip: if you ever drink something, make sure it's not Coke, Diet Coke, or any type of Coke, or Fanta. It's really bad.
Yeah.
Drink Sprite. Drink. No, I don't have a shower.
Drink
this, if anything, or left. Or, but even better, then don't check it, okay? But even better than this, even better than that, drink what comes out of your tap. Water. Good for you.
Alright, so go and have a shower and then you can have your juice. You haven't had a shower today, so...
This is going on YouTube, you do know that.
Yeah.
Now everyone knows I haven't had a shower today, okay.
Go and have a shower.
Also, okay, now, subscribe, like, and comment, or whatever.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Yes, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. This video was sponsored by Kingdom Cards. You should play.